Hi guys, it's your girl Brown Barbie XOXO. That was really corny, sorry, I shouldn't have done that. Anyways, so I'm back and I have been MIA because I've been busy getting married and in law school and working full-time, and I just bought a house. But with that being said, I'm finally settling into my house, and thank you for joining me and sharing my love for makeup and fashion. And if you want to see more of my fashion, you can follow me on Instagram, Brown Barbie XOXO. So today, if you haven't noticed already, why I look crazy is because I'm showing you the new line of products from Fenty Beauty called STUNNA Lip Paint. And these are all 4 of the shades. So this is what you can expect from this video. I'm gonna do a very quick, very fast forwarded full face of Fenty Beauty, and then I'm gonna do a slow down and talk through of the STUNNA lip paints, and I'll also show you guys what my choices are for matching lip pencils for each STUNNA lip paint. Now without further ado, we'll get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. So let's start with the first STUNNA lip paint. I'm gonna start with Uncuffed, and it's a mauve shade, and this is what it looks like. So the lip pencil that I found to match Uncuffed is from Wet n Wild. It's this lip pencil right here, and it's called Lay Down the Mauves, and it's number 661D. I'm gonna list all the details below, but that's what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start with the pencil. Okay, and I apologize if I'm looking that way, my mirror is right there. The way I line my lips is I start with the middle right here on the top, and I just go over a little bit over my cupid's bow. And I bring it down where my lining of my lips is. If you want it to dry quickly, just press your lips inwards. Don't have them touch, but just blow out while you have your lips pressed inward. The next STUNNA lip paint that I'm going to use is Unveil. For Unveil, I'm going to use MAC's lip liner called Cork, okay? With these lip paints, I do notice that it's easy to get on your teeth. So what you do have to do, I take my finger, make sure it's clean, and I go like this. So all of the inside circular residue just comes off on your finger. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to give you the middle finger. But you just want to kind of take off all the residue that might be seeping inwards towards your lips. But this is my favorite brown lip, and this is such a perfect fall shade. I love it. See? You gotta get it off your teeth. The next STUNNA lip paint that I'm going to use is Uncensored. This is your perfect red. So for this red lip, I'm going to pair it with MAC's Mahogany. Now this lip pencil gives you a little bit more shadow because it's a little bit darker and not just like bright bold red. It has like a little bit of brownie tone. The purpose of lip pencil is to add a little bit of shadow and darkness in comparison to the lip color so that it defines your lips and it creates a more plump look. Now this is your perfect red. Doesn't red make you feel so powerful and sexy? It makes me feel powerful and sexy. Okay, now, last but not least, and I'm really excited to try this one because I've never had a black lipstick. I've never put black on my lips. Like, this is crazy. I'm so excited to try this. This one is Uninvited. For this STUNNA lip paint, I'm pairing it with Makeup Forever's colored lip pencil, artist lip pencil in Whatever Black. Wow, talk about October, talk about Halloween. This is your Halloween lip color. Actually, I would totally rock this even if it wasn't Halloween or October. This, oh my goodness, I've never seen myself with black lips before. This is so cute. Okay, so I think with the Uninvited, you could definitely go over it with another coat, because sometimes when the color is darker, you have to kind of cover every crevice in your lip, every crack, because one layer might not be enough. Okay, yeah, so for Uninvited, you definitely want to go in with like a second layer once the first layer has dried, because the darker the color, the easier it is for like little cracks to show through. So you want to like make sure you have it completely covered. This is how I basically feel about this product. It's my favorite matte lipstick from now on, and I pretty much wear it every day. Why? I love the formula. It's not drying. Some matte lipsticks can be really dehydrating and can crack and flake and make your lips look gross. So this one I feel really happy about. I've worn it for a 12-hour day and I only reapplied it once, and that was after I had a huge meal. And if, for those of you who know me, know that I'm a savage when it comes to eating. So anyways, point being, it lasts, it feels moisturizing, and I love it. The only thing I will say is because it's a little bit, it's liquidy. So it's easy to transfer and you have to be careful or else it'll get messy when you're applying it. But other than that, I'm really happy with the product and it's beautiful and I love it. And I love these, like, Riri is just, I'm sorry, she's genius. She's Picasso, except with a makeup brush. Yeah. No, I think these are so neat. The packaging is so unique, so cute, and I have nothing but good things to say about this. I hope you guys enjoy it and like it as much as I do. And yeah, so you can get these at Sephora for $24, or you can get it directly from Fenty Beauty's website. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.